this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva AI Effect Tools. So recently, Canva added some AI Effect Tools to their existing tools, and these tools are tools that you would love to use. So let's look at how to make use of these tools. Quickly open a Canva graphic project of your choice, or open an existing project that you have. Project here means existing design or existing work. So this is a graphic. When I tap on this image, you're going to see effect with a red dot. This dot means that there are some new effects added. So when I click on it, for the first time, if you are using these new AI effects for the first time, you'll be asked to check it out. So I will click on check out. You'll be asked to choose a new editor or keep using the old one. You click on new editor. So when you tap on this image again, you click on effects. This time around, you will see that the effect has no red dot again because you have accepted the new updates. You click on it. Now you're going to see magic eraser, magic expand, magic grab, grab text. So these are the new effects that were added to Canva. The previous ones are shadow, autofocus, blur, duotone. Then we have some apps under effects too. We have the mockup app. So when you click on these three horizontal dots, you'll be asked if you want to go back to the old editor, which we don't want. So let's maintain the new editor here. So this is how to switch to the new Canva effect tools that were added. In case you have been seeing the old ones, this is how you can switch to these new ones. Both the new ones and the old ones will still be available for you to use.